Hello everyone, want to do a quick review of the First Lite Kiln hoodie. This is size XL, dry earth. It weighs 15.6 ounces, so it's a fairly heavy piece of mid-layer. It's merino wool. I've had it for about 10 months. I use it almost every day. It's held up really well. There's really no wear on it. Super comfy. I love this hoodie at night around town to work. I don't bring it out hunting. It's just a little too heavy and doesn't dry as good. This hood, though, is an awesome hood. It wraps right around your head like you've seen in other videos. Overall, great hoodie. I personally don't think I'd ever buy this one again. Instead, I'd recommend the Peloton 97. This is size XXL. It's the Kuiu fleece, so it's synthetic versus fleece. This dries way quicker. It's 6.7 ounces, so a whole 9 ounces lighter. That's fairly significant for a mid-layer. It's definitely not as comfy as the First Lite, and this material is not snag resistant at all. I've only had this one for about 3 months, but anytime I go hunting, this guy definitely comes with me. The dry times are just can't be compared. It's much better. Again, I think it's a little overpriced at the current price, but unless when it goes on sale or 15 or 20% off, it's definitely worth it. It's not just your cheap Walmart fleece. It's definitely higher dry times and breathes incredible. It's probably the most breathable piece of equipment I own. The wind goes right through it, though. Obviously, since it's so breathable, this Kiln is a little better than it. Both are really terrible for wind breaking, but for insulation layer, I would say Kuiu, the Peloton 97 is the way to go. Again, XXL versus XL. This one feels like the Kiln fits even a little bigger than this. So, but they both fit pretty nice. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. Ask me any questions.